Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Meet Tom, the baker who wakes up before the sun and fills his day with delicious treats. Tom is a baker. He works in a small bakery. Every day, Tom wakes up very early. He wakes up at 5 a.m. This is very early. Tom gets ready quickly. He washes his face. Then he rides his bike to the bakery. At 6 a.m., Tom starts his work. He begins baking bread, cakes, and cookies. The bakery smells very nice in the morning. It smells like warm bread and sweet cakes. This makes Tom happy. Many customers come to the bakery. They start coming in at 7:30 a.m. Tom talks to many people every day. He smiles and greets them. He takes their orders. Then he gives them fresh bread and cakes. People love Tom's bakery. At 12 p.m., Tom eats lunch. His lunch is usually a sandwich and some fruit. After lunch, Tom cleans the kitchen. He puts away all the tools. Everything must be clean. Tom finishes his work at 2 p.m. Then he rides his bike back home. At home, Tom likes to rest. He takes a short nap. It helps him feel good. In the evening, Tom watches TV or reads a book. Sometimes he goes for a short walk in his neighborhood. It is nice to walk and relax. At 9:30 p.m., Tom goes to bed. He sleeps early to rest for the next busy day. Tom loves his job as a baker. This is Tom's busy day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.